guys, so today we have another unboxing from speedcubeshop.com. So yeah, let's get started. So I got a lot of mats. So let's start with the first one. Okay, so this is really soft. I love the design on it and like the planets, like the way they're put on. So I might be using this for the rest of the video. Let me just put it to the side for now. So then we have this other one I also really love. Like, I love all of the mats. So there's like it's like completely black except like, oh shoot, what is this? Okay, so there's like this cool Speed Cube Shop. It's like distorted logo here. So yeah. So over here, it's like a cool Speed Cube Shop, and then the Speed Cube Shop here, like their logo, I think. So there's like these cool red designs on like just a black mat. So this is also pretty cool. And then last but not least, I have this Halloween mat. It's pretty, like soft. Oh, this one's kind of moving around, but not that much. Maybe, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to move on to other stuff. So I'm going to use the mat like this. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to unbox is just some Lube. Oh, this is hard to cut. Oh, that's satisfying. Okay, so now we got the Rs2m Evolution, I believe. I think it's that. So here's the box. Okay. So we got the cube, this thingy that comes with 2x2s. I'm just gonna. Should I cut the box or I'll just cut it? So we got the accessories box. Just like a screwdriver and something else. So it's probably going to be really dry, like most Moyu cubes. Okay, so before we turn it, it looks pretty cool from the outside. Okay, let's just start. Yeah, it's pretty sandy, but it's much better than my 2x2 right now. Let's try some nebula on it. Oh, this cap is hard to open. Okay, just like 2 drops. 1, 2, and okay, you know what? That's all I'm gonna add, and then I'm just gonna break it in. Oh shoot, it's getting all lubey. Oh, I need a tissue. Yeah, so this is pretty good. This is my main now, definitely. I might make a full review on this too. Oh yeah, and it also comes with the Moyu stand. Okay, so now we're gonna unbox the Moyu Wrm 2021 Maglev or something like that. Oh, I feel like I scratched the box. Whatever. So the box, it looks pretty cool. Oh, that is cool. That stand looks awesome. Oh, that's like the first time. What are these people? Hi. Yeah, there's nothing else in the box. There's this. Okay, so we got this. We just got this stuff. So we got a screwdriver, this thing to put these on. I'm just gonna use the GAN screwdriver. Then we got these things. But what? Oh, they exist. And this. So that's like the same thing on the Rs2m and stuff. So it shouldn't be too hard to customize. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to fit everything in here. I'm gonna keep this actually out in case if I can like. Oh, this is hard to open. Oh, well, or not. So we got the cube here. Looks awesome. So it's the Maglev version, so I'm pretty sure it's purple. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is fast. Oh, it's hard to... Okay, well, that is... It's like, it feels really nice. What's not nice is the way they put on that sticker. Okay, whatever. So let's try lubing this too. Oh yeah, and here's the magnet adjustment stuff. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna lube this. I think I can break it in. Okay, I'm gonna try to make the stand. Well, that is... Okay, so... Wait, put it like this, I think. Well, that was easy. And then you just go like that. Oh, that's... Oh, shoot. It's a $40 cube. Or like probably like 30. Oh, that corner cutting. I forgot to test that. Purple. I just need to admire the purple. It's just so nice. Oh, shoot. What did I do? Oh, I'm going to do a solve on this after. On all the cubes after. Probably. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'll just put that. And finally, my last cube is the X-Men Tornado V3. So I saw that in the reviews and stuff. There's like I got the standard version, by the way. Since I'm like, how does this thing open? Does it open like a GAN box or okay? Okay, yeah, there. So we got the cube. What an unsatisfying opening. And then we got this ginormous accessory box. So we got the card, kind of like the one GAN gives you. We got adjustment tool. Things for glasses. This thingy. A pamphlet, I think. It's cool, like leather bag. And another pamphlet thingy. Okay, my desk is a mess. Like, look at this. Okay, whatever. So we can open the case. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh, cool. I love like cubes where you can like see the magnets. They just look super cool. Okay, the Lube is kind of coming out. Oh, maybe that. Where's the fog wipes thingies for glasses? Okay, there. Let's try to. Okay, you know what? Whatever. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's check. Oh, that's corner cutting. That's good. And it's also a pretty quiet cube. I mean, it's not the quietest, but it's pretty quiet. Okay. Oh my god. This does not fit in its box. Okay, there it does. Yeah. So, the one I was most excited for was probably this. Oh, wait, let me try the bag. Because the bag GAN gives us, like, for me, my GAN 11 and Pro doesn't fit in its bag. Ugh, like with the case. Well, the box doesn't close while it's in. So, yeah, it's a pretty nice bag. Okay, let me just clean this table up, and then I will do some solves. Okay, that time was bad, but I'm bad, so. Okay, so that was a 39.1. It's okay time for me because I'm bad. So. Oh man, that was my worst solve for a few weeks. But the cube is good. I'm just bad. So yeah, you should get this cube. If you like quiet cubes, I recommend getting the standard because it's quiet. So, okay guys, so I don't know if I should choose the X-Man Tornado V3 or the Wrm Maglev thingy. I want one of them to be my main. I like them better than my Gan 11 Pro, so I don't know.